Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I upload often and sometimes they're deal related, so I want to make sure that nobody misses out, and you'll see it in your inbox. There'll be a picture and the title of what the video is going to be about. If you simply press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. So I like using it and I want to make sure that you guys know about it. So even if you are subscribed to my channel, I recommend that you press that notification bell. The other thing is, it's important for me on YouTube that you guys give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying my content. Supposedly YouTube looks at that, and so even if you choose not to leave a comment, which I really wish you would, but if you choose not to, at least leave a thumbs up so that we know that you stopped by to watch the video. All right? Okay. Today is the day where we announce a giveaway winner, and there weren't that many people that chose to be part of this giveaway, and I'm really surprised because it is a product that I have been using, and I made sure that I kept a backup of one for myself. So it's really good. So if you do see this and any other giveaway that someone's doing, I recommend highly that you give this a try, because for me, I've seen a fantastic difference, and the luxury of the product is just unbelievable. It's also made in Italy. It is from Skim & Co. It is called Roma, the Truffle Therapy. It is a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. I told you exactly how to use it and everything, so if you want to know all of that, go to the launch of the giveaway video and you will be able to hear all about it. It is 5 fluid ounces. This is the one that the winner is going to be receiving. It is completely sealed, and I'm excited. The person that ended up winning this, that their name got picked, is someone that's followed me on Instagram, I think before they started following me here on YouTube. And in one of their comments, they thought this would be a great idea, and I said, try it and enter. And once again, their name got picked. So it is really, I'm still such a small channel that if you guys enter, the odds are in your favor that you can win a giveaway. So it's, to me, an exciting thing. So if that's of any interest to you, just keep that in mind. Just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel here, as well as on Instagram under True Wants 2. And like I said, once I start this channel and I start getting duplicates, and because I get so many boxes, the duplicate that I am giving here, we got in BoxyCharm, but it was because I already picked it for myself and have used it through my FabFitFun. Then on BoxyCharm, because I get 2 boxes, if you're familiar with my channel, I did get a second one. And that second one I decided to keep for myself because I'm already halfway through the one that I have been enjoying, but I am giving away the duplicate that was in the BoxyCharm. But my duplicate started because I already received it in FabFitFun. I did not know that I was going to get a second one in the BoxyCharm. So by me choosing to give one away and not trying to keep it for myself, I ended up getting a bonus one. So I want to make sure that the person that gets this and who won this is going to enjoy it as much as I do. And like I said, I would love you guys to leave comments down below if you are enjoying this as much as I am, because I have never felt such a luxurious cream that has the exfoliation inside of it that is so minute that your skin feels hydrated afterwards, and I've never had that experience with an exfoliation product. So like I said, I recommend this one highly. Once again, it's called Skim & Co. Roma, the Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. All right, okay. The winner is Sophia Luna, and I will definitely put down in the video that you entered in that you won. So if I'm not pronouncing the name correctly, you'll know you're the winner because I'm going to put it in there. And I'm also going to be reaching out to you through direct message to tell you that you won And then we're going to share some private information through the direct message on Instagram of how I'm going to be sending you the information and how you're going to send your personal USA address back to me so that we can get the product out to you ASAP. So once again, congratulations to Sophia Luna. And like I said, I really hope that you guys want to be part of the giveaways that we're doing, because we do have a bunch that are going to be coming up, because I did get a lot of duplicates in the BoxyCharm and the BoxyCharm Premium. So I want to make sure that you guys take advantage of it, because these are full-size, fantastic products, and I'm choosing the ones to do that I've enjoyed. So I want to make sure that you guys are able to take advantage of it. So make sure to enter the giveaway. I know a lot of times when people write to me, they say, I've never entered a giveaway. You're my first win in a giveaway. Take advantage now while the channel is small enough that, you know, there's only a few names that we're picking through. So I really hope that you guys will take advantage of it. All right. Once again, thank you for finding my channel. Thank you for sharing my channel. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye for now.